Hello, welcome to dear students. Myself Dr. J.K. Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen the techniques of direction. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 4, Result Orientation, Direction and Teamwork. The new topic, Importance of Direction. So let's start with the new topic, Importance of Direction. Definition of direction. Direction is the guidance, the inspiration, leadership of those men and women that constitute the real core of the responsibilities of management. In this slide, now we will discuss importance of direction. Directions action that motivates people and to convert resources into productive outputs. They gives importance to the managerial function, planning, staffing, controlling, and organizing. The first importance of direction or role of direction is direction initiates action. The stopping and organizing cannot be produce result. People are directed in the efficient use of the resources. Organizing, stopping and planning become the ineffective to the without direction. The subordinates about the what to do and how to do and when to do. He also sees whether instruction and properly followed. Direction makes the possible to achieve the mission and objectives of the organization. Thereafter, next point is it motivates the people. Employees for better performance in direction. Managers and they identifies the capabilities of the subordinates and they helps to give their best. They motivates them by offers and various financial and non-financial incentives. The next importance of direction is direction ensures coordination. Organization performs the some task and achieving its objectives. It is the necessary integrate the objective with the organizational objectives. They integrate that efforts in all individuals departments for achievement of organizational objectives. The next importance of direction is improves the efficiency. Managers encourage and employees to contribute to the achievement of organizational objectives. Direction improves efficiency by motivation and leadership. Next point is provides stability. It is important for the growth of effective direction in any organization. They help to develop to the cooperation and coordination. They create a balance among the various departments. Next point is facilities change. The necessary changes in the organization. They help of leadership and proper communication. Manager are ensures cooperations of employees and to accept the various changes. The next importance of direction or role of direction is effective utilization of resources. Direction defines his duties and his responsibilities of every subordinate. They avoid wastage to make the effective utilization of the resources, money and material. They helps to reduce the cost of production and increase the profit. Thus, we can conclude the directing is the performance. They oriented initiating functions of management and they plan the organization. Communication is one of the elements of direction. The integrating the efforts of all the employees and departments, they result in achievement of the organizational goals. The leadership and effective communication towards of organizational goals. They focuses on motivating the subordinates for the group efforts. The team spirit plays vital role in success of organization. Therefore, the role of manager as a director plays very important role in guiding and motivating the employees to achieve the goals. Every individual has the capabilities in addition to their formal qualifications. They helps to identify and utilize their abilities for the best performance. Directions cooperation is necessary for smooth flow of organizational activities. They should be created by manager, director from top level to the bottom level of management. Their cooperation, teamwork and higher efficiency level to attainment of the goals. Direction to subordinates is a basic management function. that includes building an effective work climate through the motivations. So these were the various importance of directions or the various role of direction. Thank you.